As in today, we are going to discuss about a problem on directivity, right? The radiation intensity of a unidirectional antenna is given by U is equals to um cos theta. What do you know U over here? Radiation intensity, right? U is nothing but radiation intensity in directivity concept. U is nothing but radiation intensity. Is nothing but maximum radiation intensity or a radiation intensity at maximum, right? Here in this problem U is equals to cos theta, right? And also we have some limits for pi and theta. Theta is nothing but 0, I mean the limits of theta is nothing but 0 to pi by 2, and also for pi we have limits such as 0 to 2 pi, right? As you people know, this particular expression over here, directivity is nothing but 4 pi by p rad, right? Just right now we are only studying about this particular equation, right? See here, is nothing but we can make it as maximum radiation intensity, right? Yeah. See here, right now the primary thing is to find out this particular p rad over here. Radiation power or radiated power we have to measure, right? Yeah, just we wanna find out this p rad over here. P rad is equals to integration of u d ohm, right? What do you mean by u? Radiation intensity. U is nothing but radiation intensity, right? Then what do you mean by d ohm? Right? What do you mean by d ohm? Or you can make it as d theta also for our convenience, right? D theta also, right? D theta is nothing but solid angle, because radiation intensity is nothing but the power radiated through one solid angle is called radiation intensity. Radiation intensity is nothing but the power radiated from one solid angle is called radiation intensity. That's what U is nothing but radiation intensity. Automatically we have adjoined this particular solid angle for radiation intensity also. See here we'll go through some core expression. We have some limits over here, right? Theta is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Just integration of theta is equal to 0 to pi by 2, and also for pi we have 0 to 2 pi. Integration of pi is equal to 0 to 2 pi, right? And also u is equals to cos theta, right? Just substitute this cos theta for u over here. And also this is solid angle. For solid angle I am taking a angle such as sin theta, right? Sin theta, cos theta, and also for this cos pi also I am taking over here. Theta for this particular theta, pi is for this particular pi, d pi, and d theta for this, right? Yeah, see here, just here I am taking this over this side, right? And also I am taking these theta terms aside and also pi terms aside. Just first I am taking the pi terms aside. Just integration of pi at 0 to 2 pi d pi. Only pi terms side, and also next theta terms aside, right? See here integration of theta is equal 0 to pi by 2, right? Pi by 2. Yeah, I am taking I have taken this side. Automatically it will become cos theta, sin theta, d theta, because d pi is over here right now, right? And also when we place limits over here, see here we have something called a limit. The maximum limit is nothing but 2 pi, right? And also for this expression I am multiplying and dividing by 2 also. Just for this I am taking the maximum limits of pi, and also with I am multiplying and dividing by 2 also, right? Just when we take the when we place the limits for this particular pi, the maximum limit is 2 pi, right? I am taking 2 pi, the maximum limit over here, and also I am dividing by 2, right? And also right now I have to multiply by 2 also. Just theta is equal 0 to pi by 2. Just I am multiplied 2 cos theta, sin theta, d theta. Right now we have divide and also we have multiplied over here, right? Just these particular divide terms are quite cancelled. Okay, and these will become in such as 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but sin 2 theta, you people know, right? Yeah, theta is equals to 0 to pi by 2 sin 2 theta d theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is equals to sin 2 theta, right? Yeah, and also here again it will become such as these two is quite cancelled. Um pi, we have um pi, and also sin 2 theta, you people know, minus cos 2 theta by 2, right? By taking this limit, right? Um pi minus cos 2 theta by 2, this limit we have, right? We have to put together here these limits. I am taking over here, right? Um pi minus cos, I mean sin 2 theta is nothing but minus cos 2 theta, right, by 2. This limit quite we adjoined here, right? 0 to pi by 2 over here. And also when cos 2 pi by 2, we can make it as minus cos pi, right? And also cos 2 theta 0, we can make it as cos 0. 0 whole thing we became 0. Cos 2 theta pi by 2, when we take the over here automatically cos 2 pi by 2, it will become quite in such a way we can make it as minus cos pi. Cos 2 0, we can make it as 0, right? You people know minus cos pi is 1 and also cos 0 is equals to 1. Just make in such a way 1 plus 1 2 2 to get cancelled. Automatically the power radiated is nothing but um pi, I mean power radiation intensity pi, I mean maximum radiation intensity, right? Pi. And also see here, just substitute this p rad over here, p rad, substitute um pi, and also you people know 4 pi um, right? Just pi and this pi cancelled, and cancelled, automatically we have something called 4 over here. This was quite important problem on directivity, right? Yeah, thank you.